Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And you want to go down and select where it says Settings. On the left side, you want to select autofill and passwords. And then on the right side, you want to select the Google Password Manager. Now you should see passwords listed in here. Just go ahead and select the one you want to remove. And then you can select the delete button. And it should remove the password from being saved in the autofill settings. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.